been a while since we've had a chance to visit with you. Just to show you, we are slowly moving along. As you can see, this is what happens when the truck took out a whole large section of this wall and the brick. So everywhere where you see the Everbuilt, that's where there was a hole. And then over here you can obviously see the old siding and covering. That is where the gentleman today took all the brick off this side of the house that was left, and they are going to use that brick to do this side of the house. Now, laying here is all that brick, along with other brick that they brought in today that matches as closely as they can to the brick that's on the side of the house. The problem is the brick that is on the side of the house is unique, and you just can't go out and find it. But Bill, our bricklayer, who is just an amazing guy, he has told us that there won't be a problem, that he can dye the brick, paint the brick, so that it will look just like the brick that's on the rest of the house. Slow, but we're getting back. Oh, I forgot to tell you the date. So here we are, October 28th. We're past 3 months now since the truck drove into the side of the house. The good news, inside of the bedroom here, in Megan's bedroom, there is a new wall board, new insulation, new structure everywhere in there. And all that's left to do in there now is to put a new floor in and to paint. They did a really nice job in there. Sergio and his partner were just superb drywall installers. I really was impressed with them. And, well, let's go ahead and show you. This was probably the most dramatically damaged part of the house. This whole wall right here was gone, as well as this floor. And as you can see, we have come back in, repaired the wall. Wherever there was a crack in the wall, that was cut out, restructured, and then wallboard was attached. We also had an issue with the plumbers had to cut a hole in the wall over here to get to the vent stack that is from the downstairs in the laundry room. They had to cut a hole in the wall to find out where that was. And that has now been reconnected. As you can see, there's just painting, putting the trim back in place. The corner over here that was so dramatically wide open and destroyed is now all back into place. There's what's left of the floor. Julie has already worked with our project manager to come back with that kind of floor again. So it won't be too much longer. This room will be ready to go again. Let's go downstairs. Did not come through this wall. Here's what's left.